Are you tired of hunting for Jira custom field IDs? You know, the ones you need for automation rules or API calls or scripts, but they seem to just hide from you? Stop guessing. In 60 seconds, I'll show you exactly where Jira hides them. And I promise, once you know this trick, you'll never waste time searching again. So here's the plan. We're going to open Jira settings, navigate to the Fields area, pick your custom field, and grab its ID straight from the edit URL. No third-party tools, no complex queries. Just you, Jira, and a simple browser trick. Let's go. Start by logging into your Jira instance. This works in both Jira Cloud and the data center versions, by the way. I've used this method across dozens of different Jira setups, and it's always the same. So get yourself logged in. Now, look at the top right corner of your screen. See that little gear icon? Click on that. That's your settings menu. It's the gateway to all the behind-the-scenes stuff in Jira that most people don't poke around in. And here's the thing. This is where you'll find the real power. From the drop-down that appears, click on Work Items. Some of you might know this as Issues, depending on your Jira version, but the path is the same. This takes you into the configuration area. Now, pay attention to this next part because it's where most folks get tripped up. On the left side panel, look for Fields and click on it. This is the central directory of every single field in your Jira instance. Standard fields, custom fields, system fields, they're all listed here. And I've tested this on accounts with hundreds of custom fields. It works every single time. Scroll through the list until you find the custom field you're looking for, the one you've been trying to reference in your automation or your script. Click on its name. This takes you to the field's overview page, but we're not done yet. Over on the right side of that field's row, you'll see 3 dots. Click those. A small menu pops up. From that menu, select Edit Field. This opens the editing page for that specific custom field. Now, and this is the really important part, look at your browser's web address bar, the URL at the top of your screen. See that long string of text? At the very end, after the last slash, there's a number. That number is your custom field ID. Just like that. No hunting, no guessing, no digging through API responses or database tables. It was right there the whole time. So the next time you're building a Jira automation rule or writing a script and you can't find that custom field ID, just remember this path. Settings, Work Items, Fields. Click the field, click the 3 dots, click Edit, and look at the URL. It takes about 30 seconds once you know where to look. And honestly, once you've done it a couple of times, you'll be able to do it from memory. Hope this saves you some time.